methods, random sampling. So random sampling is further divided into simple random sampling. So a simple random sample designed in such a way as to ensure that every member of the population has an equal chance of being chosen, and every combination of n members has an equal chance of being chosen. So this is random sampling. Here in this method of sampling, every member of the population has an equal chance of being chosen, and every combination of n numbers has an equal choice of being chosen. So this can be done using a computer calculator or a table of random numbers. That's what is random sampling. Population inferences can be made like this. So you can see this is population. You can see different colors: black, blue, indigo, yellow, pink, different colors. So here selecting from this whole population is called a sample. By selecting a representative sample from the population, see, you have blacks, you have yellow, you have pink, indigo, black, blue. See, on this we have selected from this population. So it is not possible to consider the whole thing. You cannot meet each and every one of the population, get information from all this whole group. So we select from all these available. So from here we have different colors. So we have chosen from each color few. So black we have taken, blue we have taken, yellow we have taken, indigo we have taken, pink, orange we have taken. See? So this is sample. So this is a population. This is a sampling. So selecting a representative sample from the population. So 3 blacks we have taken, 1 blue we have taken. See this light blues, this is another different color. This is different color, this different color. Yellow 3 we have taken. Yellow also 3 different colors again, except black. Why we have taken this one? So in this black represents more. So if you keep on counting all this, each color number would be different. So proportionately we have taken the sample. So these blacks are more when compared to others. Indigo, you see here 1, here 1, 2. Only 2 you can find. So we have taken 1 only. From this light blue, 1, 2, hardly 4, 5 there, I taken 1. So this is a different blue color and thick. So like that, so this is representative sample from the population that is selected. So that is what is population and sampling, random sampling. So random sampling, systematic random sampling, a method of sampling in which every kth member, k is a ration obtained by dividing the population size by the desired sample size. See, population size by the desired sample size. So in the total population is chosen for inclusion in the sample after the first member of the sample is selected at random from among the first k members of the population. So k members, in the sense here we have different colors in the population. See, all black is 1k, one group of these members. From this group we have chosen few, and from yellow, so for example yellow also again different. This 3 in this thick color. In light yellow only 2 are there. This is 1k, this is another k, black is another k. This light blue is 1k, thick blue is 1k. Like that, orange is 1k. So that is what is k. So we have selected at random among the first K members of the population. So systematic random sampling is a method of sampling in which every kth member in the total population is chosen for inclusion in the sample after the first member of the sample is selected at random from among the first K members of the population. That's what is systematic random sampling. Now you take here systematic random sampling. You can see male, female, right? All this. So from a population of how many are there? 40 students. So let's select a systematic random sample of 8 students. Skip interval will be 5. That is 40 divided by 8. So we need 8 students out of 40 strength of students a class. So 40 by 8. So 5 here. So using a random number table, we choose a number between 1 and 5. So here we see, let's say we choose 4. We then start with student 4 and pick every fifth student like that. The systematic random sampling. So stratified random sampling we have seen in the last class, proportionate stratified sample. So the size of the sample selected from each subgroup is proportional to the size of that subgroup in the entire population. Self-weighing. So in the sense that when you have, we have seen in the population here before, different, the whole population, how many are there in each subgroup, size of the subgroup. Size of the sample selected from each subgroup is proportionate to the size of that subgroup in the entire population. So in the blue, we have taken some black, their number is more in that population. We have taken more from black, some yellow, light yellow, less, we have taken less from that subgroup. So proportionate to their size, we select the sample. So disproportionate stratified sample, this is proportionate stratified. This is disproportionate stratified sample. The size of the sample selected from each subgroup is disproportional to the size of that subgroup in the population. So needs weights here. So we don't see how many are there in that particular color. So disproportionately, whether more or less, we take the equal or some number we take. That is disproportionate stratified sampling. So disproportionate stratified sample, a random sample stratified by race or ethnicity. So disproportionate stratified sample. See here, Hispanic woman, black woman over 50. Here also, Hispanic woman over 50, white woman over 50. See, we have taken, if you take proportionate to this size, here only 6 are there, here 8 are there, here 16 are there. So proportionately you should take. If you want to take some 8 members, so 8 members in the sense proportionate. So total divided by 8, how many from each group you can select. That's not done here. Taken 4, 4, 4 from all the groups. So it is disproportionate. Actually, white women should be more in the sample, but there are 4 only, though there are totally 16 population this is. Here it is 8. So here also we have taken 4, here also we have taken 4, though here 6 they have taken 4. So this is what is random sample stratified by race or ethnicity, disproportionate stratified sample. Stratified random sample, a method of sampling obtained by dividing the population into subgroups based on one or more variables central to our analysis, and then drawing a simple random sample from each of the subgroup. See, for example, a method of sampling obtained by dividing the population into subgroups. So now we have seen the total population, different colors, right? So there, black, white, and then a blue, orange. So we divide the whole population into subgroups based on one or more variables. So variables here, black, colors. Colors are variables central to our analysis, and then drawing a simple random sample from each of the subgroup. So from each subgroup, from black